so this is Mango, my little fish.
Which fish it is?
It's a parrot fish, and this is a Flowerhorn fish.
Okay. What's his name?
His name is Ruby, and Mango. Mango's a really playful fish. She loves to play with me all day long. Look. Mango. She's trying to dance like always. Those are the little filters we put. We put a little net so Mango
Let me
and
play
Ruby.
with Mango. Come, Mango.
Sure, Mango. Sure, Dad.
See, Mango has some
Ruby.
pixels growing on, isn't it?
Yep. She's getting some dots growing on her thing.
What color the dots are?
Oh, sorry, Ruby. Yeah, it is red and orange, and the fins and all that stuff. Sorry, she ran inside again. Come out! Good
Ruby is
job.
eating an egg. Son, Ruby, if you want to cover Ruby, very slowly. You can take one.
Oh, sorry.
This is only the second day of Ruby, so that's why he is shy.
Yep, super duper shy. Mango, actually, we got her after some days.
Before.
Yeah, before. We got Mango before, and we got Ruby yesterday. And this is my new bed I even have that we got yesterday.
Okay, you can cut.